Well, if you're trying to get a pistol permit, be suspicious of anyone calling you offering help. Thanks for joining us here at 5. I'm Jarvis Robertson.
And I'm Sherry Falk. Some Chilton County residents recently fell victim to a scam involving pistol permits. WVTM 13's Lisa Crane is there live. Lisa, how does this scam work?
Well, the sheriff says these scams typically target the elderly, and in this case, someone is calling up residents, asking them if they would like to purchase a pistol permit, then directing them to a website where they purchase a permit that does not exist. Chilton County Sheriff John Sheeran says some county residents have recently shown up asking for a pistol permit they purchased online, only to learn they'd been scammed.
She was telling us that she'd already filled it out and done this and paid a $68 fee for the pistol permit. We don't do that. It was a scam, and so that's evidently going around now.
The sheriff says you should be suspicious anytime you receive an unsolicited phone call, especially if someone is making you feel rushed to make a decision.
You don't have to do nothing immediately. You know, just stop, and whoever they say they're representing, you hang up the phone, you turn around and call that agency. You physically look up the number, and you call that agency and ask them what's going on.
The money the victims paid to the scammers will most likely never be recovered, and the sheriff says there's very little chance they'll ever find these scam artists.
Probably not, because as a lot of these scams and stuff like that, a lot of them start out there in foreign countries, and when that money's gone, you give it to them, it's gone.
Now, the sheriff says the only way to get a pistol permit in this county is to show up in person at the sheriff's department, go up to the counter, fill out a form, pay there, and you receive it at the sheriff's department counter right here in the county courthouse. Live in Chilton County, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.